Vikram and Neha just returned from an adventurous week-long trip to Himachal. They enter their apartment, drop their heavy rucksacks, and sigh. They are happy but exhausted. As they unpack, the reality hits. The muddy boots, their trekking shoes are covered in mountain clay. The jackets, their heavy down jackets smell like campfire smoke. The whites, their white hoodies are now a dull shade of grey. The bedroom floor is quickly covered in a mountain of difficult to wash items. Neha looks at the calendar. Vikram, we both have office tomorrow. When will we go to the dry cleaners? These jackets alone will take me 3 trips to the shop. Vikram looks at the muddy boots and groans. He doesn't even know how to clean suede without ruining it. Vikram remembers a post he saw on Instagram. He takes out his phone and searches for Doorstep Dry Clean. He sees the website www.doorstepdryclean.com. He spots the shoe laundry and premium jacket cleaning sections. He taps the call button immediately. Within the hour, the Doorstep Dry Clean van arrives. The professional staff helps them sort the clothes. Don't worry about the mud on the shoes, sir. We use specialized organic cleansers, the staff assures him. And since this is your first booking, we are applying a 10% discount, he adds. While Vikram and Neha are at their office on Monday, the magic happens. Jackets, steam cleaned and deodorized to remove every bit of smoke smell. Boots, deep cleaned, conditioned, and looking showroom ready. Delicates, handled with eco-friendly solvents to maintain fabric softness. Tuesday evening, the doorbell rings. Everything is delivered back to their sofa. The heavy jackets are on hangers, protected by covers. The shoes are boxed and smelling like fresh citrus. Vikram and Neha are ready for the work week. The vacation stress is gone. Neha looks at her perfectly white hoodie and says, "Why didn't we find them sooner? Doorstep Dry Clean. We travel to your door, so you don't have to. Our specialized services. Designer shoe laundry, winter and leather jacket care, premium suit and sari dry cleaning, curtains, carpets and home linen. Free pickup and drop. Offer 10% off on your first order. Contact us now. Visit us at www.doorstepdryclean.com.